Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to do 2 steps curd facial at home. Friends, this facial is very effective one. If you follow these 2 steps you will get soft and wrinkles free glowing skin. I 100% guarantee for that. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. Let's make cleanser. Add 1 teaspoon of gram flour and 1 teaspoon of curd. Mix well. Now it's ready to use. Now apply all over your face. Curd has a bleaching effect. You can get rid of blemishes and scars. The lactic acid works as a natural cleanser and exfoliator. It helps you to get a soft, nourished and supple skin. Gram flour works as a great ingredient to remove excess sebum from the skin along with unclogging pores. Using this homemade gram flour and curd face cleanser can help you clear all the dust and dirt from your face. These both ingredients are good, work amazingly as a cleanser. After applying this, massage 3 to 5 minutes. After that, wash it off with normal water. You can see after one step my skin looks glowing. I feel it's very soft. Let's make face pack. Add 1 teaspoon of curd, 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder and 1 teaspoon of wild turmeric powder. Now mix well. Now your pack is ready to apply. Apply this pack all over your face. Curd is a good moisturizer and it also helps to prevent acne. It's also good for lightening dark circles and minimizing signs of premature aging. Sandalwood powder helps nourish the skin, improve the elasticity of skin cells, even out skin tone. It also helps to reduce wrinkles, while turmeric powder helps improve skin tone and the overall complexion. White turmeric is a great ingredient to be used in homemade face packs. White turmeric can help restore your natural glow and uneven skin tone. So these three ingredients works well as a face pack. This is good for reduce wrinkles and get brightening skin tone. After apply, wait for 20 minutes, then wash it off with normal water. You can see my face is glowing. I also feel soft. So follow these steps once a week, then you will realize this 2 steps curd facial is good, money saving and easy for every woman. Hope you like this type easy and effective remedies.